Okay guys, this is a 2021 Ram SLT Classic 1500. Somebody's put an LED light in here. I'm sure it can be removed. It's got super low miles, like 46,000 miles. It's got the Hemi. Let's see how clean that motor is. Sorry, that's not closed all the way, but it closes all the way. Got some good tires. It is a rebuilt title. It looks like it laid on its side on this side, so see a little ding right there. All been fixed up. Start it up here for you. $46,286 on the miles. Cruise control. Backup camera. Is four-wheel drive. Is the 6-passenger. This comes out for another seat. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. See, this is a little banged up, where they did some repair work. Not perfect, but I do believe that is a long bed too, a 6.5 foot. Has passed alignment and safety and emissions. Ready to go. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.